Hey guys, and welcome to my new video. Today I want to show you what is openATTIC. My name is Kai Wagner and I'm an openATTIC developer. So let's start with what is openATTIC. I'm not sure if you heard about openATTIC before, but it has nothing to do with the roof or building a special part of a house. Instead, it is an open source storage management framework. It's based on Linux standard tools like LVM, NFS, LIO for iSCSI or Fiber Channel, ButterFS, and so on. And for high availability, we're using DRBD, Pacemaker, and CoverSync. So we don't use something special or experimental. You could configure the whole system by your own at the terminal, but I'm not sure if that's the way you want to do it. I don't think so, because the benefits of openATTIC are to automate those steps and make your life much easier. For example, you could configure a DRBD device manually, which means edit configs, create volumes, and so on. Or you could use the openATTIC frontend, which allows you to configure a DRBD device with just 2 clicks. So it's your choice. openATTIC is also completely automated, monitored by Nagios, and offers an open API that everybody could use. Our web front end is completely based on that API. So that means if you don't like our web front end, you could write your own or include something you might missing. I think that have been enough facts about openATTIC, so let's take a look at our web front end. And here it is. Our web front end is written in XJS4 and our backend programming language is Python. Our web front end is split in 3 parts. On the left, the menu tree, on the right, the information and edit window based on the item you've clicked on the menu tree, and on the top there's our toolbar. At the dashboard, you could see some of our Nagios graphs and volume lists, but you could configure that individually by your own. It would take hours or maybe days to show you the complete functionality of openATTIC, so I just want to show you some special parts. I want to show you our monitoring. As I told you before, it's based on Nagios. Everything of openATTIC is monitored. If you create a new volume or the RAID, all networks interfaces, openATTIC guard, or especially which protocol uses how much traffic. You couldn't see only what's going on at the moment. No, you could take a look back to 4 hours, 1 day, 1 week, and so on. I think that's a really cool feature. I also want to show you our volume pool management. There you could see and configure your volume groups, ZFS pools, BetterFS pools, and so on. And you could also see the whole layer your groups are based on. For example, if I'm expanding the VG Face data volume group, you could see that it's based on an MD0 RAID, and that the MD RAID is based on another 2 RAID 5. Which each of them got 5 disks in it, and you could see the disk type, disk name, speed, capacity, and status. We got many more of that cool features, so don't be shy and take a look at openATTIC. You could download openATTIC from www.openattic.org. If you got any questions, visit us on IRC server Freenode, #openATTIC, or join our community on openattic.org. Thanks for your attention, and I hope we see you soon. Bye!